In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Salesforce, a task that many users find essential for maintaining organized and up-to-date records outside of the platform. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to easily pull your data from Salesforce and into a file format that's ready for analysis or sharing. So, let's begin our journey together on the Salesforce homepage. This is your starting point where you'll usually find the dashboard filled with summaries and key metrics. Now, you want to head over to the Reports section. This is a crucial area because it contains all the pre-built reports and analytics that help your team stay on top of their numbers. Reports can range from sales metrics to customer activities, so deciding what you need is step number one. Once you're in the Reports section, you'll notice various options, but your focus should be on All Reports. Clicking on this will display every report accessible to you, which is important if you're trying to find a specific report or simply browse through the available datasets. With the list of reports in front of you, it's time to select the ones you wish to export. This selection process is vital. Whether you need financial details or customer interaction logs, ensure you've made the right choices to suit your needs. If you're exporting large datasets, remember that efficiency is key. You'll save time by knowing exactly what you need beforehand. After selecting your desired reports, it's time to use the drop-down menu to find the Export option. This function will begin the process of pulling your data out of Salesforce. Now comes a small decision: choosing an export view. You typically have choices between formats like Excel or CSV. Your choice will depend on your subsequent use of the data. CSV tends to be more versatile, especially if you're planning on importing it into another database or analysis tool. Now, the last hurdle is just to confirm by clicking on the Export button. Easy enough, right? Depending on the size of your data and your internet speed, this could take a minute. But once it's done, your reports will be downloaded in the chosen file format, ready for you to analyze, share, or archive as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully exported data from Salesforce. Whether you're doing this to create backups, conduct analyses, or share insights with your team, having your data in hand is a powerful tool. Remember, mastering these admin capabilities of Salesforce not only enhances your productivity, but also empowers your business's data-driven decision-making. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a quick refresher on the process.